everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here to do a very quick, and I mean very quick, unboxing. It is my Louis Vuitton Murakami, the third, I guess, phase or part of the Murakami collection. So I introduced the first one here on my channel, which is the multicolor super flat, and then there was the cherry blossom in the second part, and then the third part is the cherries. And I didn't really get much, actually. I only got one item, and it's a very small item, but I thought I'd share it with you nonetheless. I also did get this a while back. I think I had it shipped to the store and I didn't have time to go pick it up because I've been very busy with weddings and all the family events, and as well as also some traveling. So I've only been able to pick it up just a few days ago. But I thought I'd share with you here anyway, better late than never. I know you probably have seen everything that people have unboxed already, but I'll just share mine and give you my experience on this third part compared to the first and second. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. Like I said, a very quick unboxing. There's only one item. I actually have more items from Louis Vuitton that I got from the Rochambeau event, which I try to pick up with this item, but there were still a couple items missing. So I'm kind of waiting for all of it to come in together to do a big unboxing, but we'll see. They don't have an ETA for those missing items yet. So we will wait, or I'll maybe just do those unboxings at another time separately. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But today is just the Murakami one. And I ordered this online. I ordered it on the day that I released, which is May 22nd. And I ordered it, I forgot if it was like a combination of mobile, my phone, so the mobile app, the mobile like website, and then the website on my computer. I forgot which one actually went through because there was quite a bit of waiting, and like it would send me back to it was in my cart, but I can't check out, and then I couldn't pick a location, which is why I ended up shipping it to the store. So it was just like, it just took a long time for no reason, I think. But anyway, let me just show you what the item is. I picked this one up at the store because that was the way that I could check out the easiest. But it's this tiny little box, and it does have the little card. So the first time I got no packaging. The second time I got, I think, a ribbon and then a little tag. This time I only got this cherries card, and I think, oh, actually, this is all filled with stickers. It's pretty cool. It does say Louis Vuitton Murakami, made in France, and then it has all these stickers. So it has this little single cherry. It has, oh, this is from the first or second one, the cherry blossom one. And then another, this is a double cherry. This one is probably from the first one, actually. This is from the first part, and this is from the first part. So now I have all the stickers. So out of the three, I still have not gotten a bag. I know a lot of people got the little gift bags, which has like cherries all over it, but it's fine. This suffices my packaging obsession. But yes, this is the only thing that I got that was the cherries collection. And so to reveal the actual item that I purchased online, it's in here. Any guesses? And it is the clay, but in the denim. So when I saw this, I already knew I wanted this one. I like the clay. I actually use mine quite a bit. I have the one in the damier azur, and I use it every day, basically. I have my keys in there. This one, I don't know if I'll use every day, but I don't have a denim piece from Louis Vuitton, so I really wanted to get that. But I also liked that the denim piece was not, it was not just printed, the LV. You can see that the LV is actually part of the denim, so it's kind of like, I don't even know, like burned in, I don't know. But yeah, the inside, it does say made in France there. And then it has the same denim pieces here. And of course, the clay, it does have the key ring, which you can put keys on. So yeah, I am glad I was able to pick this up and add one to my collection that now suffices the cherries collection, but also the denim from Louis Vuitton. So this piece does cost more than your usual canvas clays. One, because it is a special collaboration, but also I think there's been a price hike recently. I think generally you can get the canvas clays for like $340. This one was like 600 something, I believe. So it was definitely a markup, but I could feel that the quality is definitely there, and you know, smooth zipper, all the stitching looks great. Yeah, even the little cherries designed here is embroidered in and not printed on or ironed on, so that's definitely, you know, I mean, it still doesn't, I don't think, justify the price tag. There's definitely like a brand name part of the cost that you're paying for, but yeah, I am glad to get at least one item. I was not actually that interested in the collection. I know there was a lot in here, but you know, I just didn't feel gravitated towards anything. This was the only piece that I thought to myself that I could see myself adding to my collection, and then it didn't cost too much, so that it was like, okay, now I've completed the trifecta kind of thing of the collection. So that's why I went for this one. Like I said, the online ordering system was very, very annoying. I didn't spend too long there. I think like less than an hour, but I did get on, I think around 7 or something like that. And then this one, not everything was available, but this one was. So I started to add this to my cart. It went into my cart. I tried to check out. It like went berserk, like, oh, you can't because it's out of stock. So I was like, okay, I remove it and add it back in, and I can, and then I check out again, and then it works. But then now I can't sign in, and then I have to, you know, and then once I am able to sign in, it's like, okay, it takes forever to pick a address, or put in your zip code so that it could give you options for where to ship it. And then it was taking a while. I have to refresh it. I have to go between like mobile and computer. And then finally it gets through, and then I have to like submit a payment option. I tried PayPal, I tried credit cards, but it would fail. And so I keep just redoing it. So it's like, there's like every step you make, you get a little further and a little further, but it doesn't just go smoothly through. Whereas the cherry blossom for me went smooth, like just like click, 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 goes through, and then it's done. So yeah, and then the first one, which is the multicolor, that one my essay ordered for me, so I definitely had no issues with that. So yeah, so I had all 3 experiences, like the first one's being the easiest, the second one was fairly easy, this one was the most difficult. I think even then I got pretty lucky because I've heard some really bad stories, you know, of people trying and then not getting anything. I was able to get it, like I said, within the hour. So I don't remember it taking that long, but it was frustrating because it's like, why can't I just check out, you know? So anyway, I don't know if you were able to guess this. I don't know if you got anything from this collection or how your experience with it was, but I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I don't think this is available anymore, although I have seen the multicolor keep coming back. So if you did a pre-order or not pre-order, I guess it's more like you place an order, they'll eventually ship it to you. So I don't know if that's the case with this one. If you are interested, definitely reach out to an essay to see. But yeah, this is the last part of the Murakami 3-part collection. So hopefully you guys were able to grab something, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.